Just when you thought this Lincoln couldn't surprise us anymore, it does. Today we strip it to the bare metal, reveal the truth underneath, and take one of the biggest steps yet towards bringing the 67 Continental back to life. If you're following the build, make sure to hit subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. Your engagement really helps keep this series going, and I want to hear your predictions for how this car will turn out. So welcome back to episode 4 of the Suicide Diaries. This week, the Lincoln goes through a transformation most cars never experience. Complete sandblasting down to the bare metal, followed by a fresh epoxy coat to seal and protect the body. And honestly, the results were impressive. Under all that old paint, the 67 turned out to be in fantastic condition. No major surprises, no catastrophic rust, just a clean, solid structure. We will be fabricating and replacing the driver and passenger side floor panels, along with a small patch in the trunk, but for a car of this age, that's incredibly minimal. Next up is one of the most important phases of the entire build, bodywork. Through the end of January, the team at Street Toys, Jesse and his crew, will be handling body and panel alignment, minor rust repairs, shaping and smoothing every surface, prepping the entire car for paint. These guys are known for their insane attention to details. Every gap, every weld, every contour, they treat this car like a sculpture. The Continental couldn't be in better hands. And from here, we're entering the final stretch before everything starts coming back together. Once the body is perfect, we move into paint, chrome, trim, wiring, and interior, the stage where a project finally starts to look like a finished car again. Working on this Lincoln has made me think more and more about another car sitting quietly in the garage, my 1967 Mustang Fastback. Yes, another 67. If I take that on, we'd have a pair of 1967 legends, the Lincoln Continental and the Mustang Fastback, restored side by side. Now, the Mustang is a whole different story. Unlike the Continental, it's basically just a shell, rough, incomplete, and begging for a full restomod. But imagine this vision. Both 1967s finished in the same deep glossy black, both running a maroon or red interior, two American classics reborn as a matching set. Let me know in the comments, should we do it? Should the 67 Fastback join the build list? If you're excited for the next chapter, make sure you've subscribed so you don't miss the bodywork phase. It's where this car stops looking like a project and starts looking like the masterpiece it's meant to be. And alongside the bodywork, we're also gearing up to rebuild the engine and every component that goes with it. This is where the mechanical soul of the car comes back to life, and I can't wait to show you that part of the process. I also want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of the bare metal reveal? Were you surprised by how clean the car actually is? And should we bring the 67 Mustang Fastback into the fold and build a matching pair? Your feedback, your ideas, your questions, those generally help shape where this series goes next. I read every comment, and a lot of the decisions in these builds come straight from the community. If you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, share the video with another classic car lover, and let's keep growing this restoration community. We got some incredible progress coming, from body lines to engine internals, and trust me, the best chapters of the Suicide Diaries are still ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.